I came up with an idea of putting some solar lights around, and then one day by luck I heard on the radio of a state government grant called Pick My Project, and it's when they allow people from the community to put forward an idea and they allow the members of the community to vote for ideas that they think would improve the area. We put it forward to the public and we ended up being in the top 3 votes, hence why we are standing here today. I approached Anthony and asked if he would help. Anthony is from Lotus Energy and Taurus Group, and he is the wonderful man that has put together these solar lights for you today.
We're down at Lillydale Lake Dog Walking area where, courtesy of a great state government initiative, the Pick My Project, we were fortunate enough to do a successful submission with young Jess Moseley, who came up with the concept of lighting up this area, and now this area is lit up with solar lights. The council now have an asset that they can control, courtesy of a little application, and we're very proud to have been involved in it and love the concept of community projects. And it's wonderful to see state governments supporting these initiatives. Basically, this was chosen by the public for the public. Big thank you to, once again, Pick My Project and Jess Moseley for coming up with the whole concept.